Shalom lekulam and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be learning 20 words about weather in Hebrew. It's really nice because these words are useful and practical, and there's going to be some sentences in between, so it's going to be really great. Let's get started. First word is shemesh. Shemesh is sun. Shemesh, sun. Okay? That's the first word, shemesh. Second word is geshem. Geshem. That's rain. For example, someone could say, אני לא אוהב גשם. אני לא אוהב גשם. That's I don't like rain. אני לא אוהב גשם. Which is not so true. גשם זה טוב מאוד. It's really good. But that's a great example. This is a man saying that. A woman would just say, אני לא אוהבת גשם. So far, easy. Next word is שלג. שלג is snow. You don't have a lot of this in Israel, so I'm not a huge fan actually. שלג is snow. שלג. Perfect. Next one is ruach. Ruach is wind. Ruach is wind, but it also means spirit. It's really interesting. Ruach HaKodesh, for example, is like saying the Holy Spirit, which we say also in Judaism a lot and everything. So Ruach is wind. Number 5 is Anan. Anan is cloud. One cloud. Anan is cloud. And if I want to say clouds in the plural is going to be ananim. Ananim. So if you want to make something plural, it's probably going to end with im or with ot. We'll see this in another video. But ananim means clouds. Perfect. Let's continue. Number 7 is also related, is meunan. Meunan means cloudy. Literally from the word anan and meunan. For example, we can see a sentence. Someone could say, hayom yom meunan. Hayom yom meunan. Meaning, today is a cloudy day. Hayom yom meunan. Today is a cloudy day. Great. This is good so far. I'm continuing. Number 8 is barak. Lightning. Pretty cool. Barak means lightning. Yep, and comes with ra'am. Barak, lightning, and ra'am is thunder. Ra'am. There's even a really cool Hebrew song called Re'amim Uvrakim. Thunders and lightnings. It's really cool, but this is also for another topic. We can say, אתה שומע את הרעם? When there's thunder, sometimes people say, אתה שומע את הרעם? Do you hear the thunder? אתה שומע את הרעם. Now, why is it to a man? Two things makes it to a man. First of all, we say ata, which is you to a man, and shomea is hear, listen, masculine. If I want to say this to a woman, I would just say at shoma'at et haram. At shoma'at et haram. So far, great. Let's see. Number 10. Oh, that's good. Shamaim. Shamaim is sky. Shamaim. It's really interesting because it looks like the word mime which means water. So, interesting. And number 11 is cham. That's super useful. Cham is hot. So there's cham, which is hot. Like, for example, I could say cham hayom. Like, cham hayom. Meaning, it's hot today. You don't even have to say ze when you're talking about like weather related. You don't have to say ze cham hayom. You can just say cham hayom. It's hot today. And of course, there's cham and there's kar. Kar is cold. So I could say kar hayom. Kar hayom. It's cold today. Hayom means today. Great. This is really good. 13. This is funny. Lach. Lach is humid. So sometimes we say cham velach. It's hot and humid. Great. Choref. Choref is one of the 4 seasons. Choref is winter. Okay? And then there's also Aviv. Aviv, like Tel Aviv, means spring. Really interesting. Aviv is spring. It's also a common name in Israel. Aviv. Next up is Kaitz. Kaitz is summer. And I have a trick to remember that. Kites, in the summer, everyone's flying the kites in the air, in the shamayim, in the sky. So kites is in the summer. And stav. Stav is fall. Stav, fall. So we got the 4 seasons here. We got Choref, Aviv, Kites, and Stav. Perfect. Let's see a few more. Someone could say, Ani ohev kites. I love summer. Or you could say, Ani ohev et hakites, meaning I love the summer. But this is correct too. Or Ani ohevet aviv. That means I love spring. Or if someone says, oh, I love the spring, she would say, this is feminine. She would say, Ani ohevet et ha'aviv. Tov meod, very good. Next up, mezeg avir. It's actually 2 words. Mezeg avir is weather. Mezeg avir. Someone could say, Ech mezeg ha'avir. Ech mezeg ha'avir. Meaning, how is the weather? Ech means how. How is the weather? Ech mezeg ha'avir. Hurricane. Hurricane is hurricane. I wanted to do something that's the same as English. Hurricane, hurricane. And this one is really good when we talk about degrees, is ma'alot. Ma'alot. For example, someone could say, 30 ma'alot בישראל היום. 30 ma'alot בישראל היום. 30 is the number 30. So it's like, it means it's 30 degrees in Israel today. 30 מעלות בישראל היום. That's in Celsius. We use Celsius in Israel, not Fahrenheit. Slicha, sorry. And let's see, I wanted to end it with a few questions to you guys. You can reply in the comments about what it is like for you. So, איך מזג האוויר? How is the weather for you in your country? And kama ma'alot. Kama means how much or how many. So, how many degrees? איך מזג האוויר וכמה מעלות במדינה שלכם, in your country? Okay, let me know in the comments, it's gonna be really fun. I'm excited to read if you want. ותודה רבה לכולם. Thank you guys so much. נתראה בסרטון הבא. See you in the next video. יאללה ביי, להתראות. ביי ביי.